Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by removing everything from the Secrid wallet and laying parts out in order. This preserves card order and makes reassembly simple. Next, inspect the aluminum card casket and leather for dents, loose rivets, or creases. This tells you whether you need to realign, tighten, or replace parts. Use a soft cloth to avoid scratches and prepare a precision screwdriver and needle nose pliers. Once done, you're ready to tackle the mechanism itself. Don't skip the photo or note step. It saves time later. You now access the eject slider. Push and observe where it catches, then gently adjust bent rails back into parallel alignment so cards move smoothly. If cards stick, modify spring tension. Small, incremental bends to the spring will increase or decrease throw. Test after each tweak so you avoid overbending. Once alignment and spring feel correct, apply a tiny amount of silicone or graphite lubricant to the rails. This reduces friction without attracting dirt. Make sure to cycle cards several times to seat parts and confirm smooth. Even if you finish by reassembling the wallet in the exact order you documented, inserting 1 to 3 cards first to validate movement before adding everything back. Tighten screws and rivets until snug. Over-tightening can deform the aluminum or strip threads, so be cautious. Test the mechanism through full range, checking for uneven catches or noise. If problems persist, clean contact points with isopropyl alcohol and repeat alignment adjustments. If still sticky, inspect for bent card edges or debris caught in the tray and remove it carefully.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.